Hi all, today we'll see how to install Docker on Windows 10 or 11. Okay, for that just you need to open the Chrome browser and just type here the Docker. Okay, the official website page will open here. Just click on Docker link here, and there is many ways to install Docker on Windows, but this is the easiest way to install on Docker on Windows. Click on the developers here and go to documentation and come down here, click on get started link and scroll down here. We need to install, right? Click on get Docker. The documentation page will open here. Okay, here you can install the Docker on Mac and Linux also, that's up to you. Just click on here Docker desktop for Windows, because we are going to install on Windows, right? Just click on this Windows. Okay, and come down here, you are able to see here almost the three versions. Okay, Docker desktop for Windows x86 64, and another one is Microsoft Store one and early access one. So this one is not required, go through this one. Like I'm fine with this one, just I'm clicking on click. So it's around 600 MB because I have already downloaded, so I'm just clicking on the cancel here because I have already the file here. Just I'm opening this one. And remember one thing, so Docker desktop installation, this one, it will take some time, like 5 to 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, depends on your system configuration. Okay, so like in the starting itself it will take some time, so then after some time, like 5 to 6 minutes, it will complete all the 100%. Okay, don't worry about that one. Just you can click on double click. It will ask you to install. Just click on S here. Yeah, just click on S, and it will just select this with these two options, default one. Click on OK. It will install all the packages files here. Okay, whatever the required files for the Docker configuration, it will install everything here. Yeah, I told you, right? In the starting itself it will take some time, it will finish once. It's like it will take, usually it will take 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, you can see here now the installation is completed. Just click on close here and open the command prompt here. Just type the command prompt. Okay, so type here docker -- version. Okay, you're able to see, right? Docker version 29.3.1, right? So and you are able to see here a Docker desktop icon also. Okay, so if you want to like for sometimes like it will ask you for to restart the system once Docker is installed. Just you can restart your system and you are able to see. Okay, and you can see, you can use the Docker, you can use how can I say, you can log in the Docker account like with your personal mail ID or official mail address also. In the next videos we can see how can we log into Docker account, or how can we create the Docker account, and we can see. Yeah, thanks.